Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Monday, March 3rd. Congratulations, we are in a new month. So today is March 3rd. Let's get started real quick on this pre-market analysis here. All right, so on the screen here is the 15-minute chart, and I have my levels for today. Um, my long on stall level, which is the green line, is about 21 to 100. Give it a 20-point buffer, and you could see how nicely through London we worked our way up, and then so far we stayed above it. And my level of interest is around the 350 area. That's where you see this red line here, and you can see just above that in the fours we have a resistance box. So I can definitely see us long in the morning and see if we can attack this 300 level here. And I think once we hit this resistance box, hopefully we can stay above this line and then head up even higher. Let's see. Let's go to trigger chart number 1. Okay, on this one here, you have the trigger point candles here. You have the Gabby buttons. The ones I really want to show right now are these two indicators. This is the TWA pullback. I've heard I think it's the RSI. It's a stronger version of the RSI. It's a very good, especially for timing mechanism. And this is the surge. This is very good to looking at how the volume is at a particular time. Now this is on the 30-second chart because this is a trigger chart. And if we look on the top here, this is going to be important for direction. See the bottom two here say bullish and reversal. That means it's a good idea to look bullish right now. And then the top two, long and long, they just agree. So right now is a good time to look bullish. Now remember, this is the 30-second. New York has not opened yet. So there is a possibility that this can change, but right now it's looking pretty good. And this is trigger chart number 2. This one here is a little bit better view of the trigger candles. I'll give you an example right here just before we start. We had a blue Gabby button. That means to buy. It's a good buy signal. You have from yellow to green right there. That was a good little buy signal, which was about here on the chart. Okay, on here on the chart, this is the IVD. This is good for direction, right? So right now it's green. Let me turn on the background too, so this way you get the full experience of. I'm gonna put the background color on. I'm gonna show strength and weakness, and I'm gonna change this to a purple. Bring that down to there. Let me change this one to a teal. Bring it down. So what does the background do? It helps you with confirmation of direction. If this is dark green, the background's dark green, great opportunity for a long. If it turns to the bullish or bearish weakness, then you know it's going to be pulling down until something changes. So right now we have a green background. Here you go. So this is good to see. See how it went from bullish weakness to bullish strength, and we made a new high. That's, it just gives you an idea. Give you an idea of something to work off of. So I'm going to keep this one on the chart for right now. So this way everyone can see direction. So direction, trigger. Just look at it that way. All right. Now let me just flip over and let's get ready for the open. And good morning, Cloud. Cloud is on the call today. Will DC be joining us today? Let me see. See if DC is going to be on today.
We're on YouTube.
Let's see. And you're live too, so welcome, Cloud. So I posted the schedule for the community today in the free chat and in the live trading chat. Wednesday is the day that, we will be doing a Discord live instead of a YouTube live, and then every other day will be on YouTube. Okay, let's see. We have about a minute and a half until the open. Let's go here. All right, let's see if we can get. I'm gonna do an eval this morning. See if I can get another funded account today. Okay, let's see. What do I have here? Okay, in about 15 seconds, we're gonna be open. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, we are officially open. Let's see what price action wants to do now. And we are falling like a rock. You can see how we have a change in background here. Change in background, it's that purplish, so that means that's bearish weakness, I believe. And then you can see trigger. I don't even like this trigger yet. I don't like it for a short, to be honest with you.
market's on fire right now.
There we
Golly.
go. There we go. Come on, get it, get it. I'm long.
You long? I
Yep,
like it. I like it, Mo. I actually like it, Mo.
I'm
Good
long.
job, Mo. Good job, Mo. I like it, Mo. Good job. Good job. Market gave out 100 points at the open already. Damn. It's gonna be one of them weeks. I feel like. I hesitated to pull the trigger. I was actually looking at some stocks. Actually, I was looking at some options. But good trade, Mo. Good trade. I'm going to be a little more patient this week on the longs, but I do like the longs. I just wanted to hold above this 100 level real quick. This 100 is also that London high, and kind of what we've been seeing is well, at least what I've been seeing is just I I typically like to take my best trades off this London high, either a break above, I like longs. A failure to go above, I like shorts. I haven't been taking the shorts off that level, but I'm going to be watching it today. You see how I failed to get it back above that London high right there?
Hmm.
Is it going to continue the trend from the past couple weeks? We have VWAP right now.
I'm taking a short off of the stall on my level. Trades up 20 points so far. Looking for 50. It just hit the 30-point mark. It's sticking around 25. I don't mind pulling this down a little bit. Okay, securing some profit. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Let's pull this down to 50. Let's go to 60 points. TP. Let's see if we can get there.
Data's coming out soon.
Dom is picking up.
Data's out.
Let me secure 7 points. Ooh, got a little fake out action going on.
Oh shit. Right here, VWAP. Let's see what happens. I think we come down though. Mm. Let's see what happens down here. Yeesh. I guess PMI was not good. Are you still in your short, Mo?
I took profit and now I'm switching to a different eval. Wait 2 minutes for a new 4 hour. I mean, definitely. Short term is short. See if we stay under here. You can tell by the Dom orders are going crazy.
We have news coming out in a little bit as well too.
Mm. Boy. I'm trying to long here. Very light position size. It's risky. Okay.
there.
Please don't make me look stupid. Please don't make me look stupid. Okay, it's not making me look dumb. Oh God, thank God. It's definitely making me look dumb there for a second. I'm flat. I'm flat on the runners. Flat on the runners. Mo, what you seeing, Mo?
I'm seeing the shorts. It's just the price action is very violent. Like I'm seeing like 30, 40 point candles on the 15 second. So that's very uh it's very violent. But I'm seeing shorts. You look at the background, the IVD, how we just rejected right off the expensive box. But these candles are violent though. That just means take a TP1. That's all that means.
On long again.
But if any bearish weakness shows, I can see it shooting up.
Yeah. It's like ping pong in this little area right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. Now wants to get active. Okay. Okay.
There we go. Nice little scalp. Nice little scalp off the buy sign here. Let's see if we get some weakness in this IVD. We could push up back to the 100s.
15 second, 30-second right here.
Okay. Or the 950s. All right. Now I am done with that. Look at the. Hey, DC's here. Hello, DC. Oh, got mic issues. Hold on. 1 second, DC. Let me just see this first. Yeah, he should be on. DC, yeah, he's on.
Testing.
There you go. We hear you now.
Oh, okay.
Welcome, DC. Welcome. You've been very sought after.
I'm what?
You're very sought after. A lot of people have been waiting for you to come on. They want to hear.
Oh, I'm just honored for being nominated.
What came back on me? It did. Yeah, it's alright.
All right.
What just happened there? Here's that weakness that I was telling about. Let's see if this allows price to pop a little bit. I got one micro in long. Risk free. Okay, here's the 950s, past the 950s. We got bullish weakness. Let's see if it clicks to do. Wow, what is happening here? My Dom is going nuts. See what happens when DC comes on the call? Everybody comes to play. 50 points hit on this runner. Again. Let's see if it even wants to get close to that green level I have. Or will it stall and come back down?
Trump talks at 1 o'clock, you guys. Trump talks at 1 o'clock. I'm in runners though, but Trump talks at 1 o'clock, so let's see what happens. Yeah, it didn't like that 1 minute money zone. Let's see what happens here though. YM also rejected the 1 minute money zone as well too. Yes, came closest 1 minute money zone.
Oh, here we go. Drop City. I know DC is eating steak right now.
Not trying to flex or anything, but I'll be eating steak for the whole week.
Were you short or something?
I took a number of shorts, yes, very successfully.
And today?
Oh yeah.
I'm good for today.
Oh yeah.
Let me just recap for everyone.
Mo, don't forget what we have to do after the call.
Oh, I know. We got time. All right. So for everyone on the live, just gonna review what I saw, what I took, yada yada yada. So first, let's just bring that down. All right, so this is the IVD up here with the background, and this is the trigger point entry system with the TWA Trade Advisor. Okay, so this was the open. I took this long right here because we were above my level, and I had that button there, so I took the long, caught a couple points there. Then we kind of lost steam. Yes, there is a button here. I did not take this one. Why? Because it's still the open. I didn't know what was going to happen, so I just waited. I wanted to see what was going to happen around my level here. And basically, my rule is, if it breaks, don't take anything until it retests. Here was the retest. I got the trigger, and I went in and I caught this move down. And then just recently I caught a little scalp here. This was off the trigger. this scalp up. To there. And that's basically it. Oh, and this one too. This was a 1 micro. This was a test trade here, 1 micro. I wanted to test something out. I was testing this out here. So when I got in, it went from green to yellow, and I wanted to see what would happen in price action. And yes, we got an initial push up because of the change in IVD coloring. But once again, you can see we stalled here and price came back down. So this was a test here. Let me just write this down. This was just a test here. Test trade. But this was the trade. This is what I was looking for. This is a typical game plan trade for me. It breaks the level, comes back, tests, and with the trigger was able to get this down. And then this one here was just a little scalp. Once we started making higher highs, I just scalped 20, 30 points. That's what I wanted.
Because that's what we call scalp here.
Yeah, like 30 points, 30, 50 points, whatever. I don't know how you guys call it. It's a scalp here. Good news is though, with these triggers, every time I enter, TP1 was hit in a flash. That was about 10 points. So I was risk free, and from risk free, it went to, I would say, 40 points very quickly, and then that's when it started to come back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until we had a couple more legs of dropping, and then it started kicking back up. So on my funded futures, I'm green on the day. I did get a new eval for Top Step. I am moving back to Tradevate on Top Step. I don't really like the Top Step X too much. I like having my stops already set. I don't like setting them while it's on the chart, especially a day like today. I hate manually setting it, so that's just my personal preference.
Is your stop loss a certain amount of points, a certain amount of dollar amounts, or what?
I like points because if I deal in dollar amounts, that means I have to do the calculation.
Yeah, then you can preset it then.
No, I know, but like I like taking a TP at 20 points and then again at 50, then again at 100, and like that. I like.
I know Top Step X is not very bracket friendly.
No, and I learned.
But it is very shortcut friendly though.
Yes. So it has its. Listen, anybody uses it. I'm not. For me, my personal style, I learned on Tradevate, so I'm familiar with it, and I know how to use it, and it's so familiar. It's like I don't even have to think about it, and I just don't like. I don't want to think too much. I'm tired of thinking. I'm getting older. I just want to react. Want to react, go home, and be like DC, eat some steak. That's my goal for life. Or like Cloud, I'm like, go golfing, buy some cars. That'd be nice.
Speaking of steaks, Mo, remind me to send you some pictures later.
Oh, you know what that means. My man
Oh. You know what that means.
Yeah. That means they showed you the beef before they cooked it. What cut would you like, sir? All of them.
Obviously. Why choose?
Yeah. I remember once we were on a cruise and we went to the steakhouse and they brought out the plate of steaks. And they were like, "Oh, so what cut do you want?" And my wife, she picked like whatever, like a filet mignon. I was like, "Can I just take a little bit of everything?" They were like, "No, no, we can't do that." I was like, "What kind of place is this?" You can see here we're kind of see how it's trying to make a push up, but it's around the 950s. It's kind of losing steam and getting pushed back down.
I would call this the purgatory area
Yes.
between 940 and 880. Where is the decision? If we stay definitely above 940, then okay. I'll be looking long with cloud. If we stay below 880, then it's shorts all the way. Think I'm done for the day though, but I mean there might be some small trades in me.
That's a very nice setup right there. I'll circle it for everybody. You had the stall here. And then let me just zoom in on this so you can really see what I'm looking at. So you see how the color in this pinpoint area went from bright green to dark green. And then we had a yellow sell Gabby button. And then this followed by a sell sign. So let's see if the sell sign, how many points will the sell sign give? It happened here, it's already given. Yeah, well, it already gave you 30 points. Yeah, maybe 15, 20. Depending when you get in. But the button here was nice. It's up here. Now the IVD. Candle coloring's turning back red. That means the bears are showing up again. The background's red. Once you see this change, you can probably see price to start to go somewhere in that direction. Eventually.
Took a small scalp long from 900. Went 30 points without any trouble.
Oh, there's a buy. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
There's the blue buy button. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
And that was DC Scalp. 30 points.
Like I said, we are above 880. I mean, very close to 880, but it's playing around here in a way that don't like very much. View up is flattening up again, so that means chop TPOs were choppy as well. Probabilities of this running. I took it because we were far enough from the 1 minute bearish money zone, so I could get, a TP. And then let the market decide the rest.
I think the market's finished with its morning run. getting ready for his afternoon run. It's like jogging. It took a little morning jog. It did. Look.
Down a mountain or what?
Yeah. It's like, oh, we're running downhill today. Whew. And it's the first trading day of the month too. So crazy things happen the first day. Yeah, all right. So it's getting close to 11. Let's just see how the market structure indicator. Oh, look at that. I love this indicator so much.
I know, right?
So for those of you who were on the pre-market, you notice we had nothing in the way. As always, things change. And then you saw a big resistance box right at this area where we haven't been able to get over. We only took a peek at around 9:45, and we've been trying our hardest to get there. Lower high here. Is that a higher low? Where's the? Yep. So we can definitely be like a basketball and bounce, bounce, bounce until the market decides what it wants to do. Does it want to stay below this area here, or does it want to finally start breaking above and find a new place to rest? We'll see. But look at the other trigger chart. Let's see. This was open here. So this is the long I was talking about in the open. See the timing, the beautiful timing by the surge and the tandem of the surge and the pullback indicator. What a timing mechanism this thing is.
Oh.
Yeah, that. And then, just as nicely as it gave you the timing long, it gave you the timing short. These are trigger candles. This is the Gabby buttons right here. There was your timing short. If you fall, sorry. So there, right? You had that timing for short. It had a little like a bloop of a green surge, and then red and red. Boom, we're going down. Right here. And then once the sell sign happened, down she went. Then you can even see on the other side the timing for the buy scalp. It was right here. Green, beautiful timing. You got it. A button too, in case you want some more confirmation. And a nice little long to go right here. You could have gotten out right there as soon as it changed if you wanted to. Another one right here. You had bearish to bearish weakness, a buy, and then right here, timing. Well, it depends what you want to do. But I just want to show off all these indicators. They're all available at tradingwithadam.com. Link is in the bio of the YouTube page. You can also join us on Discord. As you can see, scrolling across the top, if you do want access to these indicators, which I don't understand why you wouldn't, considering how much it can help anyone to see the market. if you want this at a discount for the first month, put in the promo code mindset. Put in the promo code mindset, and you have access to this. You also have access to the Discord, where lead traders like DC, Cloud, myself. You also have Adam, Urshot, and other lead traders and other traders in the community who can show you their setups, how they use it, and how people are using it for payouts. I know we have members who just joined. I would say what, maybe 4 weeks ago. Cloud, maybe. I think it was 4 weeks ago, right?
About
Yeah.
what? I talking
The
about Michael, the one who got
yeah
a payout.
yeah
About 2 months ago.
about 2 months ago. So he joined 2 months ago and received the payout. You know, he you can look at the testimonial. He passes the evals in about 4 days average, and he just got his first payout. So congratulations, and congratulations to all the other traders who are on their way or getting payouts. And if anybody else out there who does want something to help them on their trading, check us out. All right, so my job is done. Thank you. Put some pennies in the jar for that one. And that is today. All right, Horatio too. He's been killing it lately. He's been killing it. So, all right, everybody. So we are at that time. We are going to be ending the stream in about 1 minute. DC, anything in closing?
Uh, yeah, since I came in a little bit late, had some stuff to do. I mean, I don't wanna entice people too much, but I mean, the stuff we're learning in Excel about how to choose the direction is like, I cannot say curse words on YouTube, but they're surely deserving of it. One and two, you see Mo's trigger, new trigger indicator, brand new, just you know, smell it, and then it smells so fresh. And I mean, with the like Mo said, surge and pullback, now it's like there's no reason why you shouldn't have your TP1 rate at 90%.
100% agree.
Yeah.
100%.
Whichever direction you want to go.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing.
Whichever, because it's so flexible.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and also, guys, Cloud will have his educational video about the trigger up this week, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. So just if you are even in the free part of the Discord, keep an eye on that. It will be coming soon.
Mm-hmm. Cloud, anything to end off the day?
No. We just have a lot of news this week, so let's just be on the lookout for that and just be vigilant.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for coming on today. Everybody, thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing everybody tomorrow. Take care, everybody.
Left and right, candlesticks, a dance we know. Green and red like disco flow.